So yeah, right here, I'm going to get myself a little video of this little cicada right here. I love this little guy. Look at this little cool guy, man. He is so awesome. I love me a locust. Locust, cicada. I think he's a cicada.
Yeah, he don't look like.
He's a vegetarian. He don't eat people.
I don't give a fuck.
You hear my friend Barbara over there? She's like, I don't care. She's like, that's a bug. I don't want nothing to do with no bugs. No. I love this little guy though. He's so cool. Oh, here we go. Just bridge the fingers right across there. Man, he is awesome, huh? Yeah, he's a cool little feller. Look at him. It's like an old dinosaur. See, I'm an outdoorsy guy, so I'm not scared of no bugs. I love these little creatures. I felt something crawling up my leg, and I reached down to figure out what the heck it was. I thought maybe it was a wasp or something. And I'm really glad I didn't just swat at it. He's so cool. Would you let this little critter crawl on you?
No. That's a no-no. No.
Yep, that's what makes me the outdoorsy guy. I'm not scared of these little critters. I understand them. And they actually taste good too. From what I understand, they taste like peanut butter. They're a little crunchy. I had never eaten one, but you know, if somebody paid me enough money, I reckon I would.
Hell no. You know this, let me see. You go up this street here.
Right.
You keep straight on up. You know that lot I was telling you about AMP?
Yeah.
Okay, you keep straight on up on your right side. There's
Yep.
like a silver little box out there.
All right.
Sometimes they have little goodies in that, little snacks in there.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, for anybody to get it.
Oh, yeah. I go there up on Franklin Street.
Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, I go in there sometimes. Get
It'd be outside.
peanut butter, crackers, and things like that.
Yeah. It'd be right outside. Yeah.
Look at him. He's like, there's something new here. What is this new material I'm coming up on? He's just crawling right up my arm here.
Oh, Lord.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.